Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Fundrise for diversifying investments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using Fundrise for diversifying your investments, first, visit the Fundrise website. Click on the Get Started button on the homepage. Create an account by providing your email address and creating a secure password. After creating your account, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Fundrise account. Choose your investment plan. Fundrise offers several options that cater to different investment strategies. Review the specifics of each plan, including potential returns and risk levels. Select the investment plan that best aligns with your financial goals. Fundrise will guide you through a short questionnaire to understand your investing style. Complete the questionnaire honestly to receive tailored investment recommendations. Once your investment plan is selected, input the amount you wish to invest. Fundrise typically requires a minimum investment, so ensure your chosen amount meets this requirement. Review the details of your investment before proceeding. Confirm your investment by clicking on the necessary buttons to finalize your transaction. After your investment is confirmed, you will be able to track its performance on your dashboard. Regularly check back to monitor your returns and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Consider adding to your investment over time to further diversify your portfolio. Utilize Fundrise educational resources to stay informed about real estate market trends. Engage with the community features to learn from other investors' experiences. Continue to refine your investment strategy based on performance and market changes. With consistent management and education, Fundrise can be a valuable tool for diversifying your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.